Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with stinging criticisms of the private sector Organization of Jamaica's proposal for a consolidation of Independence Day and Emancipation Day into one extended holiday weekend. Chief Justice Brian Sykes and development economist Dr. Chris Stokes are among the latest officials raising concerns about the possible violation of Jamaica's history and culture by the merging of the holidays. More in this report.
Speaking in Trelawney today, a seemingly worried Chief Justice Brian Sykes stressed that observing August 1, 1834 as Emancipation Day is not just about concerts and other festivities to boost the country's economy.
I would have thought that the emancipation of enslaved persons of African descent, which was, in our case, the antecedent to independence, would warrant more analysis than to be described as a mere 5 days, encapsulating, I put in that word, Jamaica's journey from abolition of slavery to the achievement of self-governance.
His response follows a proposal by the private sector Organization of Jamaica for stakeholder engagement around its suggestion for the Emancipation and Independence celebrations to be merged into a single extended weekend holiday. This would mean the holiday period could be over 4 days, beginning on a Friday through Monday. The PSOJ had indicated that the proposal, which was submitted to the Culture Ministry, came after a national and an internal poll, and the main concern is due to reduced productivity between August 1 and 6 as people try to recover from the holiday festivities.
On August 1, we made the transition from property to person, and so began, certainly in my own family history, the long journey to where I am today.
Development economist Dr. Chris Stokes, who was speaking on Radio Jamaica's That's a Wrap program Sunday, stressed that there is more to develop than GDP. He believes the experience of the majority of Jamaicans who are descendants of slaves should not be ignored.
I don't think that we're going to change this and the GDP is going to move by even, 1 percentage point. So I believe that is a short argument. The thing before us, though, is now that we have the holiday, not to go back, but to make use of it in how we build a society and how we use that to solve our problems. And for heaven's sake, to stop doing things to try to make the majority of the people invisible.
Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.
And staying with